This Instagram page has racked up 648,000 followers, and their videos are pulling 10 million, even 30 million views. Oh, and the best part? This niche is so new and unsaturated, most creators haven't even sniffed it yet. Yeah, you're early. Don't blow it. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make these yourself. Completely free. Let's get into it. First, head over to ChatGPT and click Explore GPTs in the left sidebar. Search for Flying Human Generator and select it. Hit Start Chat, then click to launch the generator. It's going to give you 10 locations to choose from. You can pick a number, type your own, or just say more for additional ideas. I'm typing more because why settle for basic when you can go unique? Boom. Another 10 fresh ideas. For now, I'm going with number 4. Hit send. The GPT will now generate both an image prompt and a video prompt for you. Copy that image prompt. Now, head over to Google Flow AI. Log in with your Google account, and you'll land on this clean little interface. Select Image Generation Mode. Then, choose your aspect ratio. Go with Nano Banana 2. Paste your prompt and hit send. Give it a moment, and just like that, your image is generated. Pick whichever one looks the most realistic and powerful. Trust your eye. Now, jump back to ChatGPT, copy the video prompt, select your image, and hit Animate. Paste the prompt and send it. Wait just a second, and boom, your video is done. Look at that quality. Look at that motion. That is not something people expect to see for free. Here are some videos I made using this exact same method. And yeah, they go hard. That's it for today. If you want to actually keep up with new niches before everyone else jumps on them, subscribe to AI Centra, because I'm not going to keep finding these gold mines forever. I'll see you in the next one.